Kronshtadt, perfect. That's a tier 9 cruiser. Kronshtadt I've been playing a bunch lately, partly just because like I've only got, I don't know, 10 or 12 probably of my captain's respect, and so Kronstadt's been kind of a fun one to play, you know, during this update. And I kind of had taken a break from it. I hadn't played it much, and so it's been kind of fun to come back to it and play it some. I tend to run HE on it more than I think most people do, although I am getting a little more comfortable with using its AP effectively as well. Oh, hey there! We got Powered by Rice. One of our Clan Wrecked members is on is in our match with us. That's fun. And he's on our team, which is the best part. He's over there Mogadoring. Mogadismo. That's fun. Hopefully he's watching the stream and he can figure that out. Okie dokie. Well, let's not quite steam out there. Looking good in that camo back there, Scotta. You're looking real sharp. I know I got AP in the tubes, but I'm going to throw shots at that Kitakaze anyway, because it is worth trying to hit that guy. And I did. I got to defend an 1800 DiMaggio, so that's pretty legit. Well, that's fun, bumping into Howard. Not something that happens too often. Usually we all know when everybody's playing. It looks like Powered's jumped into our Discord. So Kablamo or Scotta, if you wanted to jump in with Powered, he is in Discord, it looks like. Uh-oh. What's Alaska doing here? Yes, he's really red heavy right now. Nice little 5,000 damage slap on the Georgia and a fire, and then he took a torpedo, it looks like. I was gonna miss, I assume. Oh, I got one. Small hit, but I'll take it. I don't really care for my position right now. It's pretty poor, actually. about to be broadside to this Alaska. Here they come, as advertised. I want to help bring down this eye. Oh, it looks like our guys are doing a great job of dealing with him without my help required. Ooh, overshot him. Alaska decides not to shoot me, possibly because of the angle I just gave him. I'm gonna hook up here close to this island. Oh, got a little fire on the Alaska. He's gonna put that one out. I'm gonna let him. Racketed him with those, but that's probably a good trade. I'll take that. Alright, we're going to swing around. Minnesota's going to be behind the island before I come around there, so I probably won't have a chance to see him unless he beaches. And that is a wide boy. I can't quite tell how close he is to the rocks, but he looks real close. I think he's going to be fine, but... looks like momentum's going our way. I'm okay with what's happening here at the Mo. You guys are braver than I am, though, hanging out over there on the weak side. Nighty night, son. Woo! Got him. Oh no. Howard, did I just mess up your torp shot? I might have. You're in a Mogador anyway. You should be using your guns. Guns! Woo! Clean up on Isle, Minnesota. The Isles are named after states. Hey, I found the Venom. Dude, this Musashi's been giving me this ever so slightly angled broadside. I've shot him in the cheek like 40 times, and it's just 2,500 damage, 900 damage, no damage. Switch to HE, 5,500. Okay. This is dumb. It wasn't even good. I shot at the water line. 3,500. HE, I guess, for a broadside Musashi. Turns out that's what you want. Maybe it's because he's already painted in flames. That should have been an indicator. Silliness. Good match so far in this thing, though. We're doing good work. Had a few obvious errors, but all in all, I'm pleased. No longer the focus of this Musashi. He's too busy running, which is fine. I'm having a hard time hitting him at this angle. I keep shooting over the back left side of him, which I'm going to do again. Means I need to shoot further to my left. Now he's turning. And try right there. We'll see if he steers into those. I think our Mogador friend over here might need a little help. No! Does need a little help, but he got him. Or somebody got him. Good job, Iowa. Just got a fire on the Musashi, putting us over 100,000 damage. That is my pizza party unlocked. We did it. We did it, everybody. Is there a pizza emoji? Let's find out. Is there like a search? Pizza. No pizza? With all of the stuff that they have for emotes, they don't have a pizza one. Slightly disappointed. I think I've looked this up before. This is not the first time that I've been disappointed they don't have a pizza emoji, or emote as they call them in Twitch. There we go. I might be winning a little too hard right now. We'll see. Yeah, Kid is the one I want to fight, actually. There he is. Instead, I'm just forced to get more fires on Musashi. And it's like he's just got a constant stream of gigantic Musashi shells. Oh, ow. My face. A precious face. Those might be kid killers right there. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. Nope. They're close. Those were Musashi killers. Can I get the kid a kill? Ah! No! I missed! I missed! No! What a world! Did you see that? That was like when you own something and someone takes it away from you. They stole it, see? He is going to kill me. I am so infuriated. His nets off. Don't fail me now. Nice shooting. Freaking A, kids. Good news is I'm out of radars, so I can't even help you with the Summers, or the Benham, I mean. I am detected, which is really good news. Oof. Brutality. Yeah, I don't know how much interest I have in being a part of fighting that destroyer. I found him. Natty. Hey, Dr. Evix, welcome to the show, my friend. How you doing? We did it! We got him. 141,539 damage. That's pretty good. 77k to that Musashi. To be honest, the way that Musashi fight was going was bad at first. He was out shooting me, out doing me, out everything. And then I had a couple friends come up and cause him to turn. And that's actually what changed it up for me. I was able to get a lot of damage on that guy. So when we look at 140k at total, we got to remember that almost 80 of it came from a single ship who was running scared. So it's not quite as impressive as it might have been if I was really just slapping people. But overall, good battle. Lots of fires, Citadel, kill, defends, caps. It was pretty solid. We did it though. Top guy. That's pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video entertaining and educational. If you liked what you saw today, please hit the like button and subscribe. Take care of each other, and we'll see you in the next battle, Captains.